How to send files from phone to laptop via Bluetooth. So on today's tutorial, I will guide you some of the easy way to send different kinds of files from phone to laptop via Bluetooth. So first of all, on your PC or a laptop, you just have to click on this start button and then click on settings. Once the settings open on the home feed or left panel, you will see systems. So click on it and then you have to scroll all the way down. At the bottom you will see about. Click on it and here you will see the device name. So this is your device name. Once you have known your device name, you have to click on this arrow button and then you will see all the hidden icon here. So just you have to click on Bluetooth devices and then on this menu bar you need to click on receive a file, and once you open it you just have to go ahead and open the Bluetooth on your device and select any file that you want to receive on your PC.
Once you have selected the file that you want to send from phone to laptop via Bluetooth, you need to tap on send icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And among these multiple apps, just select Bluetooth. And as you can see here at the top, we can see desktop. So this is our PC's name. So you need to simply select it and then
as you can see that we already have received the file on our PC or laptop, so you can also browse the location by clicking on browse and you can click on anywhere you would like to keep it. Let's click on OK and now select the finish button. Once you have done that, we have successfully received that file. If you wish to download it, you can easily locate the location and open it. So this is the file that we have successfully received from our phone to laptop via Bluetooth. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates.